2, 3. All right, hit it with the fight song.
Hey SK, I'm Shane.
And I'm Ryan. Before we get into news, how was that water balloon on Friday during the assembly?
Oh, it wasn't too cold. Oh, hey look, Ruskita's back.
He's back! Where have you been? Oh, actually, don't even answer that.
No.
Let's get into news. Do you want to help spread school spirit? Today's your last chance to submit an application to become next year's Roscoe. Don't hesitate. Scan one of the QR codes posted around the school to fill out and submit your application. If you're interested in learning more, consider stopping by the Roscoe Workshop Wednesday after school. If you have any questions, there will be additional information posted in your grade level classroom. Moving on to sports news, end of season awards for track and field are being held next month and on the field. See Coach Zimmer if you have any questions. Following into track and field will be spring football, which will start next week on Tuesday. Sign up today via the school's web store. For information, please see Coach Dan Erickson or check in with the athletics office.
Track and field had a great showing at districts where the ladies 4x4 relay team pretty much swept all their events. On the men's side, Brendan Burke finished 5th in the boys discus and qualified for state. On the ladies' side, Lauren Laws finished 5th. Emma Bermond DeSambros finished 3rd in the javelin. Ella Hopper finished 6th in the 300-meter hurdles, and the 4x400 finished 1st, all qualifying for the state meet. Wrapping up sports news, over the weekend, Fast Pitch ended its season with a loss to Union.
Attention all juniors, science testing starts this week. Please ensure you have your Chromebook and power cord as many of them are being swapped out. You can find your schedule posted in the junior grade level classroom. Before we get into senior news, Yearbook has something new to show you.
What's up, SK? We're from Yearbook.
And we have something to show you. This is the new 2021-22 Yearbook.
Now we have something new this year called YBK Plus.
It's for everyone, even those that don't have a yearbook, and it contains pictures that made this school year ours.
When you get your yearbook, there's going to be this QR code inside that'll take you to YBK Plus, or you can use the quick link on screen right now to go to YBK Plus if you don't have one.
Once you scan the QR code within the yearbook, it'll take you to ybkplus.com. You're going to have to put in your school email and it'll send you a 4-digit code. Once you put in that 4-digit code, it'll take you to 3 separate things you can choose from: My Year, School Life, and Get Your Yearbook. Starting off with My Year, if you press on the big plus red icon, you can upload 10 photos of your choosing that you took throughout the year to show off to your friends or family. Next up is School Life, and Ryan, please take it away.
This is where you can upload school-appropriate photos into 8 sections: academics, clubs and organizations, dances, holidays, spirit weeks, sports, student life, and theater productions.
A little bit more than that.
There. YBK Plus also includes a special feature. When you use the camera on the YBK Plus website, you can scan your friend's student picture in the yearbook to see what they've uploaded. You can also scan pictures of any event in the yearbook to see what photos have been uploaded there.
The deadline to upload photos into YBK Plus is June 1st, so make sure you get those photos uploaded, otherwise you'll be missing out on something big. And that's all from us, SK.
And we'll see you later. Yearbooks are still being sold. Help support the school and get one today. Now on to senior news. If you attended South Colby Elementary all those years ago, then consider revisiting. They're asking previous Bobcats to walk their breezeway, take photos, and celebrate your success. If you have any questions, please contact the South Colby office staff. We here at Video Production are looking for more content for our annual senior video. We ask that all seniors send us school-appropriate photos, videos, and pictures from their time here at SK. This senior video will be shown at the graduation rehearsal. Submit your content to tinyurl.com/SK22 senior video to help us highlight your favorite memories.
Seniors, prom is in 2 weeks. So 1, if you want to bring a guest, you need to turn in your guest form to the main office by June 1st. 2, prom court has been announced and the time to vote is now. You could vote for king and queen in your grade level classroom. And 3, the price for prom tickets have gone up. They are now $25 with ASB and $30 without. Buy yours now as prices go up next week. Still looking for money for college? Then check out the Judge Chevelle scholarships in the Kitsap Community Foundation. Applications for it are due by the end of the month, not week. Moving into club news, those joining yearbook next year, you have a mandatory meeting in room 202D tomorrow. Don't be late. And to finish off, the clubs meetings today are ASL, AP Action, Magic the Gathering, Model UN, and Shades of Color. Meeting tomorrow will be D&D and Key Club. Well, that's all we have for today.
I've been Ryan.
And I've been Shane.
See you later, SK.